I want to show you this application that a developer and I created to solve a specific problem. The problem is this. Here you have these 9 reporting schemes. And you can view all the information from these reporting schemes. Here's all the information right here. Let's go to consistency rules. But the problem is you can't edit it and you can't otherwise maintain it. So what we did, or the reason is that that's the case is that this is all generated from a Microsoft Access database, a set of databases. And I created the database, and I'm not a programmer, so it's the programmers. I mean, the database is not that good for other people to use to edit this information. Only I can really do it. But what this software engineer did is create this application that can store all the data. I'm taking my data from my Microsoft Access database, and I'm getting it into this web interface that is to a database, basically. And what it's not just a database. You put the information in. So here are the consistency rules. So here, you have this information. Just put in it, change it, so you can see that it's actually working. You edit it, and it saves it into the database. So, for example, here are the topics. The information not only goes in the database, but it also automatically generates XBRL. So you just press the button, and it takes and writes out the information that's in the database into an XBRL file, and then sends the XBRL file. So this is all valid XBRL. You can also upload information. You don't have to just key it in. You can use an application like curl, and there's an API. And this is just gets a list of fields from the consistency rules for IFRS, just a batch file. Here's the interface. So I'm going to go to these consistency rules. Oops, pressed the wrong one. There's all the rules. There's no consistency rules for this mini. Make sure that's correct. Yeah, none. So I can go to this spreadsheet that has the rules in it, and I'll change that to a bunch of K's. Save it. Then go back here. I'm in mini, consistency rules, and upload. Choose the file. It converts it into JSON. Oops. Converts it into JSON. Oops. What did I do? And then I upload the data. So it actually uploaded, but there's a little bug. It doesn't refresh it, so I have to press refresh and then go back to that, and it's still not there. Oh, because I'm in topics, and there are the rules. You see, you can also edit it via this form. Or you could actually edit it via this robot 3T interface to MongoDB, but it's all the same information. These are the rules. Commentary. Put in a bunch of P's. Save it. Go back to the database. Consistency rules. Here are the P's. Pretty slick. So this is all that an accountant has to know. How to fill in a form. What fields. This does not have validation checking yet, or doesn't have, like, this should be a combo box of all the terms in the reporting scheme. But that's it. I'll call that good.